When people ask me whether DREX will replace PIX, I always smile. Having spent the last 2 decades architecting financial systems and studying blockchain infrastructure, I can tell you the question misses the point entirely. These technologies are not competitors, they are complementary layers of the same evolving ecosystem. Brazil is quietly building one of the most sophisticated digital financial infrastructures on the planet, and understanding how these pieces fit together is essential for anyone working in fintech, tokenization, or Web3. Let me walk you through how I see this convergence unfolding. The foundation, PIX as the rails, DREX as the settlement layer. PIX, launched by the Central Bank of Brazil in November 2020, transformed the country's payment culture almost overnight. As of 2024, PIX processes over 5 billion transactions per month and reaches more than 150 million users. It solved the problem of instant retail transfers, moving existing bank money between accounts in seconds, 24/7, at near zero cost. DREX, Brazil's digital real, formerly the Real Digital Project, operates on a different plane. It is a tokenized version of central bank money built on distributed ledger technology, using a permissioned Ethereum-based network with Hyperledger BSU. Where PIX moves claims on bank deposits, DREX enables programmable, tokenized settlement. In my work I frequently explain this with a simple analogy. PIX is the express highway for everyday payments, while DREX is the smart infrastructure beneath it, capable of executing conditional logic, atomic settlements, and asset tokenization that PIX was never designed to handle. Where the synergy actually happens, the real magic emerges when we combine instant payment UX with programmable settlement. Consider a concrete example from the tokenization world, an area I've dedicated significant research to. Imagine buying a tokenized government bond, Tesouro Direto, through your banking app. Today, that involves multiple intermediaries, settlement windows, and reconciliation delays. With DREX enabling delivery versus payment, DVP, via smart contracts, the bond token and the DREX payment settle atomically, either both legs execute or neither does. No counterparty risk, no waiting for D+1 or D+2. Now layer PIX on top. The user experience remains the instant, familiar interface they already trust. The customer never sees the DLT complexity. They tap, confirm, and behind the scenes, smart contracts orchestrate a tokenized settlement in seconds.